guys, you're here with Flippin' Mike and Amber from Out Country. We are going out to pick up a vintage snowmobile here.
Yay, good job.
Vintage Arctic Cat Jag. To see what we get, what we can do with it, even if it's worth picking up, if it's salvageable.
Yay, good job.
So, we got no spark. He's going to need a stator, but not bad. I got reg card. Just get a little more work than I thought. It's got good compression, so what do you do?
Buy it.
Yep, buy it. Buy it, because I can put just a little bit of money into it, some work into it, and it'll run again. We ended up picking her up. She ain't that bad. So we're gonna get her in the shop and start tearing her apart. Folks, how are you guys doing out there in YouTube land? We have to check in and see if it's CDI or the Stator, but she doesn't look too bad. We got some snow showing out here at the flipping farm. We're opening it up. We're seeing what we got. That's what we got. Well, we found out we got some good news. One thing I know is we do not need a stator. I have a little trick. I got a little LED 12 volt turn signal. It works very nice as a test light. Oh man, that's a beautiful sight right there. CDI or coil pack. It's just got a hairline. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, there it is. She's got that hairline fracture in there, and I am getting power out of the stator. So that's a good thing. So I shouldn't have to break this motor down too much further. I did look inside there, and boy, she does look good. I pulled the front exhaust off, which was a complete pain. But we're gonna get this thing completely cleaned out underneath here. And all I got into it now is hours of work. So we will figure out where we're at in a little while. CDI put on it and she runs good, man. This will be a great flip. It'll be running in no time. They'll just okay. So that'll be the end of this video. The pickup and teardown. Thank you guys for coming along on this journey, picking up this 1987. Duh. 1987. What is it? Oh, I'm super tired. 1987 Arctic Cat Jags 440. It's been a lot of fun tearing this thing down. I can't wait to start putting some fresh paint, getting it all cleaned up, getting it tuned right, and taking it out on a rip. Thank you again so much. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and remember, keep it country.